Hey everyone, how is it going? Are your headphones not working on Windows 11? Maybe you have plugged them in but there's no sound, or Windows isn't detecting them at all. Don't worry, today I'll show you a few simple fixes that can get your headphones working again. So let's get started. First, unplug your headphones and plug them back in. If you're using wired headphones, try a different audio jack or USB port. If you're using Bluetooth headphones, make sure you are connected properly. Still not working? Let's try the first fix. Right click the sound icon in the taskbar, click on Sound Settings, select a sound output. Under output, make sure your headphones are selected as the default audio device. Sometimes Windows continues using the speakers even when headphones are connected. If that doesn't fix it, let's move to the second solution. Press Windows plus R, then type mmsys.cpl and press enter. Now simply go for playback tab, find your headphones right. Here it is, find your headphone rights, click on it and select as default device. Then click apply and then click OK. Still no sound. Let's check the audio driver. Right click the start button and click on device manager, and then expand the sound, video and game controller and click on AMD high definition audio device and click on the right mouse button and click on update driver. Simple. If the problem started recently, you can also try uninstall device and then restart your PC. It will going to download automatically in your Windows. So now let's try one more fix. Simply open your settings, click on system, click on troubleshoot and then click on other troubleshoot and find the audio and run it. Windows will automatically check for common sound problems and try to fix them. And here's one final tip. If you're using Realtek audio, open the Realtek audio console and make sure the headphone jack is configured correctly. Sometimes the headphones are connected but the audio port is assigned incorrectly. And that's it. In most cases, one of these fixes will get your headphones working again on Windows 11. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment which fix worked for you. If your headphones still aren't working, tell me whether they are wired or Bluetooth and I will try to help. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.